Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I'm on farmer daughter duty today. It's Tuesday, a day off. The weather in Ireland, we are gonna have the best sunshiny weather. And I'm currently waiting in the car because there's gonna be sheep coming running and I have to go ahead of them and block them off and turn them up the road where my daddy and my two uncles are in the field getting the sheep. And the sheep are coming, so we need to go. So basically I have to go ahead. You always, as a farmer's daughter, you always get the most like basic instructions from like your uncles or your daddy being like, oh just oh shit, okay, here we go. The sheep are like running. There's some sheep coming behind you, just to warn you. There was a man out walking his dog. I'm like, okay, I need to put my hazard lights on. Let's go. Parked my car this road. So I'm basically, hopefully no cars come. Look how shiny it is. There's a man with his dog and he's basically just hunting them back up the road. Up the road, please. Up the road. Up the road. Oh my God. I am such a disgusting mess in this iPhone quality. Oh, yeah, just leave me. Unless you go tied up nice and tight. Talking about a gate, I'm like, bitch, I don't know how to fucking do those fancy farmer knots. Like, they do like the fancy loop-de-loop so you can just pull one end and it all comes loose. I don't know how to do that. I just tied it in a knot. And my car is getting used and abused. I scraped to the front of it, like underneath, because of course I have to drive it up into the fucking hill. These back roads and the dirt and the dust. My new car and my uncles are driving around their tractors and they just go, we're taking over that road, that field, far middle field. And I'm like, what? I don't understand your culty lingo. Oh, my daddy's getting in now. Gate opened. The sheepies. Hello, sheepies. Come on. Come down this way, sheepies. You and your home awaits. Oh god. Road, by the way. I have to block this whole area from my car to here because they're going in there. I might get a farmer's town today, you never know. Da, 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 da. Tonight. Oh my god, this is the longest wait of my life. Abracadabra, oh la la, abracadabra, cadabra, abracadabra, na na, cadabra, doo-doo. Look at all them chickens. Come on, come on, come on. I'm using my man voice. Come on, come on. Come on, sheepies, let's go. Sheepies. Come on. This way to your new home. Round 2, by the way. There's a prickly. I feel like whenever I vlog, I look so rough, but where do I even start in this video? Did I even start this video? I think I did. Anyways, welcome back to the channel if I didn't. Basically, yesterday I finished working 5 days in a row. And it was 5 really, really rough days. I mean, physically, like, my muscles hurt, my feet hurt, my back hurts. It was kind of like really, really busy, really, really horrible. Like, Mother's Day was in there. There was another situation yesterday, understaffed, overworked, kind of a vibe. But we got through it. And then last night I came home and I had a shower. I mean, see, in the last 5 days of work, I've probably washed my hair and had a shower every 5 days. Which I don't usually do. I know people think that's weird, but when you're just getting up and going, like, you're just sleeping, going to work, coming home, sleeping, going back to work, like, especially I don't like washing my hair every day either, but how hard I was working, I just felt so gross when I came home. So I had a shower when I came home and I felt like a new person. It's so strange, like, when you're younger, like, having to take baths and have showers, you're like, bleh. But like, as an adult, it just like, it like gives me a new life. Having a shower gives me a new life. I'm like, oh, I'm a new person. Anyways, then I went to Sainsbury's last night. I didn't have coffee. What what else did I not have? I needed new like disinfecting wipes. I mainly went for the coffee, I'm not gonna lie. Coffee and snacks. Ran out of snacks, ran out of coffee, which is what I live off of. So it was, I need to go. Then today is Wednesday, and I woke up pretty early, but I was like, I'm still tired. So I kept making myself go back to sleep. I was like, oh, I actually could go back to sleep. So I did. And then I woke. I feel like my arms are. Do I get a little bit of tan? Like, we'll get into it. But yeah, I eventually like got out of my pit this morning, and Daddy was like, "Oh, when are you working today?" And I was like, "I'm not working." And oh, you can help with the sheep then, girl. It's literally 6:15. I've been away all day. I put a load of washing on before I left, and that's all I did. I've been like, hopefully you've seen the clips already, but it's a lot of, I'm a farmer's daughter, right? And not only am I a farmer's daughter, I'm a niece of 4 other farmers. Like, my dad's got like 5 brothers. He's got 4 brothers, and all of them are like in the farm. So it's a lot of like just being told what to do kind of a thing. If anybody is a farmer's daughter, you'll know what I'm talking about, but it's a lot of just being told what to do and like having an opinion and being like, no, you're wrong. Anyways, it was a lot of standing in gaps, driving, opening gates, holding things, you know. It was a lot of that. The first thing we did was like, the wee lambs needed injections and paint on their backs. Their mammies got like a dose of something, like a vaccine kind of a deal. What they were for, I don't know, but my job was I like stuck the injection into a wee bottle and like pulled out like 1 milliliter and passed it over to my uncle. That's what I did. And then we were moving lambs and sheep up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. But like 4 times we were moving sheep. So it was a lot of just standing about. And then we're home. And here we are. I've got blue. This is the colour of on the baby sheeps and the lambs. So, and it's very difficult to get off. So that's fun. And my trousers. I really should have taken these trousers off, but hey, do you want to see how dirty I am? Oh, this one's even worse. Look at this. Look at that. I smell like sheep. Great. I should take these trousers off, but I'm just like, hey ho. I scraped the bottom of my car because where the sheep house is, it's literally up a hill. So I drove my car up there, of course, and on the way back down, my car was like, so the front of it a little bit, like this much underneath. The paint's all scraped off. Which I'm trying not to let things like that bother me, because I'm like, does it matter? No. Am I planning on keeping this car forever and ever until it's no more? Yeah, I am. I'm not planning on like keeping this car for like 2 years and selling it. Like, I'm keeping this car, girl, for a long time. And her paint job isn't perfect anyways. Like, on the driver's side door handle, she's all scraped, and like inside the door is scraped, and it was like that when I bought it. So it's not like she had a perfect paint job to begin with. And it's like pretty much under the car. It's not like on the front bumper. You can see a little bit of it when you look directly at it, but who gives a fuck? I'm trying to not let things like that bother me. Anyways, I think I deserve one of these. I'm looking at my ice melting, so I'm gonna crack. Do you hear that? I've got a glass of ice here. How beautiful does that sound? I deserve one of these. My auntie's texting me about something I have to do for her. Do you know another thing about having boundaries with people? There are certain things I'm like, yeah, sure, like I'll help you no matter what. And then it's like these things that I do for other people with no thanks or gain out of it, shall we say? because I do stuff for my auntie and I do stuff for my daddy and all these uncles. And do I get anything out of it? I got a thumbs up. Got a thumbs up. I got a thank you, I think. You know. we take it where we can get it, am I right? They're still tractoring about. Girl, farming is not a job. Farming is a job that you get very little out of. You get being outside and animals and all of that, but goddamn, it's a lot of work for like no money. I did so much work today, and what did we make any money today? No, we didn't. That's my thought on farming. Anyways. It is Wednesday, but I have Friday's video already done. I'm trying to stay on top of it. I know. It's not like me. My room's a mess, which is very like me. And so I need to clean my room this tiny evening. Michelle mentioned going to get lunch tomorrow because she's working from home, so she's free. So we could do that. And the weather in Ireland, oh my god. Girl, Mothering Sunday, listen to me, Mothering Sunday. Mother's Day was Sunday and it's Wednesday currently. The clocks went forward. I'm like spring forward, fall back. I could never remember. It went forward. And it is so bright outside now. Like, it's still bright at like 8 p.m. What? And it's only going to keep getting brighter. And this week, apparently, we've got the most sunshiny, gorgeous, like, summer weather. And it's glorious. I'm like, wow. Ireland is so beautiful in the sunshine. It's like, oh. Like, look at this. Like, look. What is that? What is that weather? Look at that outside. See how bright that is? And it's literally 6:30 in the evening. Like, in the wintertime, it gets pitch dark at like 5 p.m. I feel like I could do stuff with my evening. I need to clean. But I also want to show you what I got in the shop yesterday. Do you see that? Like maybe a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, there was these lime chips were in Sainsbury's and bought a packet, loved them. And then I've never seen them since. It's been a long time, and yesterday I saw them. I was like, I should have bought 2 bags. Now that I'm thinking about it. But I bought a mild salsa dip. And you know this Sainsbury's mild salsa dip? It is it tastes the exact same as like the fancy dip. Do you like the name brand one? Go for this. It's exactly the same and it's like half the price. This tastes like cinema salsa. Strength. Right, Woo. That's a tip, by the way. If you find it difficult to open jars, tap it against something and they open. I'm gonna do a taste test. This is like, they're trying to make you like cut the bag, cut the side, and like put stuff in it. Oh my god. It tastes like a lime. It just tastes like I squirted a lime into my salsa. I love it. They're so good. Wait, what's this? will do. Look how bright it is out here. Massey! That's as loud as I can whistle. Massey! Ansha! Massey, here! Here! Oh! That's such a good boy. Here, sit. Sit. Good boy. Oh. Massey, here. Oh my god, that's a good boy. Come here now. Here. Sit. Why are you so good? He's so good. You're a good boy. Look at my flowers. The Irish sunshine. Look at this. Look at the Irish sunshine's doing to my flowers. And look at this bad boy. He's growing. And my rose bush is trying to reach for the stars.